You know that feeling when you check your portfolio and it's red? Again, you invested, did the right thing, you were patient, and yet every time you open the app, it feels like the market is working against you. One day it's up 2%, the next day down 3%, and you're actually left wondering, where is your money really going? And trust me, I've been there myself. And if you're watching this, chances are you have been too. The stock market is an incredible wealth building tool over long term. But in the short term, it can definitely feel like a roller coaster. And that's why today I want to show you something different. A platform that I've been using with my own money that pays me every single day, regardless of what the stock market is doing. No red days, no checking charts, no anxiety. Just steady, predictable returns landing in my account every morning. This platform is called Monefit SmartSaver, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works, what it pays, what the risks are, and whether it makes sense for you. This video is for my European viewers, as Monefit is currently only available in Europe and operates in Euro currency. And quick disclaimer before we get into this is not financial advice. All investments carry risk, and I'll go over specific risk later on in the video so you can make your own informed decisions. But first, let me set the scene for you with some numbers, because I think this is where it really clicks. Let's say you have 10,000 euros. If that's sitting in a savings account at around 2%, which are currently the rates, you're earning roughly 200 euros a year, or about 16 euros a month. Your money is technically doing something, but honestly, it's barely keeping up with inflation. It's basically like putting your money on a treadmill, right? Moving its legs, but really not going anywhere. Now, what if the same 10,000 euros was earning 7.5%? That's 750 euros a year, or about 62 euros a month. Same money, same effort from you, completely different results. And moreover, if you locked it into a fixed term vault at 10.52%, you're looking at over 1,000 euros a year. That's your money actually pulling its weight. The difference between 2% and 7.5% on 10,000 euros is 550 euros a year. Over 5 years, that's 2,750 you're leaving on the table. Same money, different place to park it. So what actually is Monefit SmartSaver and how does it work? So basically you deposit money into Monefit and they put it to work by lending it out to real borrowers across Europe. These are consumer loans issued by a company called CreditStar Group. Real people who need the money, they borrow money, they pay interest on those loans, and you earn a share of that interest. It's calculated and paid out to you daily. Now, what makes this different from traditional P2P lending platforms is that you don't have to pick individual loans. There's no auto invest to configure, no loan ratings to evaluate. You just deposit your money and the platform handles everything. Your funds get spread across many different borrowers and countries with individual loan caps to limit concentration risk, which is very important. If you ever used other P2P platforms, you'll know that most of them require you to set up auto invest strategies, filter by loan ratings, manage your portfolio, all these things. The great thing is Monefit takes care of all of that. All you have to do is deposit and earn money. That's it. Now, before you trust anyone with your money, you'd want to know who's behind it, right? So let's look at the company who's actually running it. Behind Monefit is the CreditStar Group, headquartered in Estonia. And this is not some startup that appeared last year. CreditStar has been in the consumer lending business since 2006. That's 20 years of operations. They've served over 1.4 million clients across 8 European countries. Their financials are audited annually by KPMG, one of the big 4 accounting firms. They have over 52 million in equity and total assets over 367 million. And they generated 74 million in interest income in 2024 alone. They've also won several awards over the years, including Investment Tech of the Year in 2025 and the recognition by Inc. 5000 as one of Europe's fastest growing companies, which is great to see. A long track record alone, of course, doesn't guarantee the future. But at the same time, 20 years of audited financials is a much better starting point than a flashy website and a promise. All right, so now you know who they are. Let's talk about what they actually pay. And there are basically 2 ways to invest on the platform. The first one is the main account. This is the flexible option. Your money earns 7.5% interest per year, which gets paid daily, and you can access it whenever you want or need. Up to 1,000 euros per month is available instantly. Anything larger than that, these are processed usually within 10 business days. That's something to keep in mind. Now again, let me put this into real numbers. If you deposited around 5,000 euros at 7.5%, that's roughly 375 euros a year, or just over €1 a day. Every single day you wake up, there's another euro sitting there that you basically didn't have to work for. Scale that up to 20,000 euros and you're earning about 1,500 euros a year or 125 euros a month. That's a phone bill, a gym membership, or a monthly subscription to basically everything you use, covered entirely by passive income. And best of all, you haven't touched your original 20,000 euros. While the stock market goes up and down, this part of your portfolio just keeps ticking upwards every single day, and that's exactly the appeal. Now, regarding fees, if you deposit and withdraw via bank transfer, there are absolutely zero fees. None at all, which is really awesome. However, if you use your card to deposit, card payments are free during the first 7 days after signing up, and after that, there's a 1% fee. So I personally deposited the first week with my card because it's just very fast and convenient, and then later on, I switched to using bank transfers to save that fee. And then there are also SmartSaver vaults. These are the fixed term options. You commit your money for a set period of time, and in return, you get an even higher rate. Vaults range anywhere from 6 to 24 months with returns from 8.33% to 10.52% of interest per year. The longer the commitment, the higher the return will be. One more important thing to know about vaults: if you need to close one early, you lose all the accumulated returns, and there's a 30-day cooldown period before your funds can be returned to your main account. So only put money into vaults that you generally won't need for the full term. And to put the platform into perspective, it currently has over 30,000 investors, more than 302 million have been invested in total, and over 18 million euros have been earned by investors. And the average return across all users currently sits at 8.85%. All right, but now let me actually show you how the platform looks and works in real life. So here we are logged into my own personal account. You can see the money I put myself because I really enjoy the platform and definitely have quite a bit of trust in there. Otherwise, I wouldn't be putting such an amount over there. Now, one thing to keep in mind right now, it's only available on the desktop. They don't have an app yet. Hopefully it'll come in the future. But to be honest, I mean, it's not like I'm logging in every single day to check it. Yes, in the first few days I did more than that. But once you set it up, basically it's investing on autopilot. And then I just go in here on a monthly basis to see how much interest I've earned. And what I really like about it, it's very straightforward and easy to use and navigate. The first thing you want to do is deposit your money. So all you do is go over here on add funds, choose the amount, whatever you want to deposit. In the beginning, I always put a small amount, let's say 100 euros. And then, once I feel comfortable with the platform, I increase the amount over time. And they can choose, of course, in the beginning, maybe you want to go with a card because it's very easy to do, right? If you have a Revolut card or any other bank card, fee free, as I said, for the first 7 days. But afterwards, you can see now it's a 1% fee. So I wouldn't want to go with that. Instead, I would do a bank transfer. Even with a bank transfer, for me, it was there a couple of minutes later via Revolut. But again, it depends from which country you send it in, and very straightforward and no fees. Cool thing is you can also set up auto invest. You can say how much, how often you want to do it. And the cool thing is, obviously, it will come straight from your card. And in this case, there won't be any fees from the card. So that's also a cool, clever way to set it up if you want to automate it completely. And then basically it will be deducted, depending on the frequency from your card automatically and then put to your account. And once the money is in your account, it already starts working for you. You don't have to do anything. It will basically go into your main account over here, and then it starts earning 7.5% interest, which is really cool. So you have to do nothing else. If you want to lock it up for longer to earn high interest, you can create a vault also. Then all you have to do is click on get started. It will take you to the vault page over here, and then you can play around with the numbers, see how long you want to commit your money for, right? In case you have, let's say, 10,000 euros over here, you can see the interest over here. 12 months, it will go to 9.42%, 18 months, it will go to 9.96%, and 24 months is the highest and longest at 10.52%. Really attractive. But yeah, you're gonna have to lock it up for 2 years, which is in my eyes quite a long time, right? So if you really have money that you're really sure you're not gonna need it for so long, then that's totally fine, you can do that. In my case, as you see right now, I actually like the flexibility that Monefit offers me to withdraw all the funds that I want anytime, at most up to 10 days, but up to 1,000 euros instantly, which is really cool. And in case you're wondering where the withdraw button is, I was also looking for it in the beginning, but all you do, go to the 3 dots over here, click on that, and then basically say what amount you want to withdraw. If it's, for example, 500 euros, I can get it same day basically. And in this case, I would also select my bank account, right? Because on the card, I would be charged again 1%, which I don't want to have. So I would go bank transfer. I did it back to my Revolut and was there literally a second later. Really cool. And yeah, if it's more than that, let's say if it's 5,000 euros, obviously I can't do same day. It will be standard and it will take up to 10 days. It might also be faster. Just keep that in mind. It could be a maximum of 10 days for the withdrawal to take place. But I don't want to draw. I want to keep my money growing. So we spoke about auto invest, passive income, also really cool because some people like the feeling of really getting paid. All you have to do is enable passive income over here and then select where you want to get paid via bank transfer or via card. Again, up to you. I would say say bank transfer to avoid the 1%, right? And then every single month, it will basically pay you the money that has been accumulated in interest to you. Every first of the month, you will be paid, which is nice on the one hand side. On the other hand, it kind of defeats the purpose of compound growth over time, right? So keep that in mind. If you pay out all the interest to yourself, then your money obviously won't earn interest on its interest. The whole compound growth snowball effect wouldn't be kicking in, but it's a really cool feature that they have over here. And then you can see also really nicely your earned returns so far, my total earned returns. Sign up bonus, also really nice. If you use my link down in the description below, I'll come to this in a second, you can get a nice sign up bonus. So definitely take advantage of it. The more you deposit, the more bonus you'll be getting. And then you have a few more tabs over here. Accounts, for example, I can go into this and see account overview, filter by the period from when I wanted to see it. So it's really easy. You can see here very nicely every single day. Right now I'm earning €2.90 into my account. And even if I do nothing else, right, that balance will keep on increasing. And over time, that 290 will become 291 and then 292. You can see already here, I jumped from 289 to 290 without additional deposits. That's just the compound interest at work over here, which I really like. You can see the breakdown. So really, really straightforward. I can download transaction. Maybe if you have another tracker that they use, you can import those transactions. So really, really straightforward. I really enjoy it. And even one thing that not a lot of platforms do offer is a tax report. Now, they're not reporting taxes by themselves, right? If you sign up, they will ask you for your tax residence, but that's just for internal accounting for their side. They're not really submitting your numbers to the tax authorities. That's your job that you should be doing. But you can really download a nice straightforward tax report over here, select the period to submit to your relevant tax authority. And honestly, that's basically it. Super straightforward. And that's actually one of the big pluses and things I love about the platform. They don't have to jump around, see which loan to choose, where to invest. It's all taken care of and done on your behalf while paying you a very nice interest. All right, but now let's talk about the part that most people skip. And that's the most important part, the risks, because those daily returns don't come for free. There's a reason this pays more than a savings account, and you need to understand why. First and most importantly, this is not a bank account. Your money is not covered by any EU deposit guarantee scheme. So there's no €100,000 protection like you would have with a regular savings account. Those higher returns exist precisely because you're taking on more risks than a bank deposit. Secondly, there's a single counterparty risk. All of your funds go to one group, CreditStar. Unlike some P2P platforms where you can diversify across multiple loan originators, here everything sits with one company. If CreditStar were to face serious financial difficulties, your investments could be affected. That said, they have been profitable for over 20 years. Their financials are audited by KPMG. And best of all, they do have a 100% withdrawal success rate since they launched. The third risk, that there is no buyback guarantee and no capital protection mechanism. If many investors withdraw at the same time, larger withdrawals might take longer to process. And fourth, Monefit SmartSaver itself is not a regulated investment product. CreditStar's lending entity are regulated in their respective countries, but SmartSaver operates as an Estonian entity outside of traditional financial regulations. Now, on the positive side, CreditStar has over €52.7 million in equity and roughly 64% of their loan portfolio is collateralized. Since launch, every SmartSaver user has received their money back with returns. And on Trustpilot, the platform holds a 4.6 out of 5 rating from over 1,000 reviews. So yes, the risks are real, but they're also clearly defined. And knowing them is what allows you to make a smart decision about how much of your money belongs here. So the question is, who is this platform actually for? If you're in your 20s or 30s and you already invested in stocks or ETFs and you've got some extra cash beyond your emergency fund that you don't need for a while, parking it in a SmartSaver account instead of a savings account earning 2% could mean the difference between earning €200 and earning €750 on the same €10,000 over a year. That extra €550 goes right back into your portfolio. Or if you're someone who finds the daily ups and downs of the stock market stressful, having a portion of your money in something more predictable can generally change how you feel about investing overall. When one part of your portfolio is growing steadily every single day, the volatility in the other parts feels a bit more manageable. And if you want higher returns than a traditional savings account without the hassle of managing individual loans, this could be a great fit. But at the same time, if you want 100% capital protection or you're uncomfortable with the idea that your money isn't bank guaranteed, then this probably isn't the right tool for you. And that's perfectly fine. Not every investment opportunity is right for every person. And also keep in mind, the platform is currently only available to European investors, not in the UK, and everything runs through euros. Now, I want to quickly share how this fits into my own approach. I personally use both Monefit SmartSaver and Bondora Go and Grow. I plan to continue using both of them. Monefit is more attractive to me because of the higher interest rate. Honestly, the returns you can earn here are almost in line with the long-term average returns you'd expect from a global stock market ETF like the S&P 500. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but it's a very attractive number for what is essentially a hands-off investment. That said, if I ever need quick access to a larger amount, the 10 business day withdrawal window on Monefit can be a bit long. That's where Bondora still comes in handy. It's about having options and using each platform for what it does best. So that's Monefit SmartSaver, a simple hands-off way to earn up to 10.52% interest on your money, backed by a company with over 20 years in the lending business. I use it myself and I think it's a solid tool for anyone looking to add some predictability to their portfolio. And if you want to try it out, I'll leave a link in the description or just scan the QR code on screen and you'll get a 0.25% deposit bonus on your total deposits over the first 90 days on top of the returns you're already earning on the platform. And that's the same bonus that you saw when I showed you the platform, what I earn myself. So it's very straightforward, very easy. The more you deposit, the more bonus you'll be earning. So let me know in the comments, do you use any P2P platforms or is this something new for you? I'm genuinely curious to hear from you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, helps out a lot. Next up, check out this video over here. As always, thanks for watching, stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.